Hello guys, this is SRINIVAS the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve this SKIDMARK daily challenge of 26 May 2021. Let's jump into the problem. Function GetColumn. The function or method GetColumn accepts the argument of 4 arguments R, C, matrix and K. The R and C should be the row and column, and the matrix should be the two-dimensional matrix, and the K represent the position of column in the matrix, which we have to return the column elements. Yeah, here the size of the matrix is 5 cross 4, and this is the 5 cross 4 matrix. We have to return the third column. Here they have calculated or started from the position. Here they have started the iteration with the position, so this should be first, second and third. We have to return all the elements in the third column: 65, 14, 48, 75, 77. That's all we got. In this example, this is a 4 cross 7 matrix, and we have to return the second column, which is nothing but 51, 86, 32, 40. Seems like a simple problem. Let's solve this. Here they have given the predefined code. We have to fill this segment, which is nothing but the getColumn function, and that should return a bounded array data type of size and column. Okay, let's start solving. Since this is a structure value, we have to allocate some space for that. I have already told that if we don't allocate the space, it just will override the already defined value. So to get rid of that, I'm making something called bounded array data type, and I'm taking the value as a BA. This should be a pointer variable. Star BA equal to malloc malloc of size of this bounded array. Now we have created a bounded array data type. For that we have to return something, what BA of size is nothing but the column size, right? Because we have to return the column, so we don't have to worry about the row, just the column is enough. And then we have to allocate space for the bounded array equal to, this should be integer value, integer of malloc size of integer is the size bar size, or else we can just use C. Now for int I equal to 0, I smaller than C, I plus plus, and then BA of array of I equal to matrix of I of k minus 1, I guess. Yeah, k minus 1. Finally return BA. Hope this will work. Let's check. GCC main.c, we got a little error. This is because in 1312 this is that. Yeah, this should be a pointer variable, not a integer. This should be an integer pointer. That's why we got that error. Now it's time to execute our problem. Let us assume for 5 cross 4 and 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 6 4 5 6 7 and finally 5 6 7 8. Now we are going to print the third one. So if I give 3, it will return 3 4 5 6 7. Actually this would be up to the R size, right? I have if I change all the C with R, or I just replace all the C with R, we'll get the expected output. This is because we have 5 rows and 4 columns. We have to print all the 5 elements in that third column, right? So it should be a CLF. I'm executing this. This should be something, yeah, 4 cross 7 4 cross 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh, that should contain 8 also. 8 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. If I just enter, okay, we'll take the second one. We got 2 3 4 and 5. Yeah, that's what we should have. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here, this is the code we have to write. Code for your view. See you soon with something else. Till then, bye.